How to mention someone in a comment on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can mention anybody in your comment section. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to mention any of your friends or any people in your comment, just go onto any post, then tap onto the comment section on your right side. Here, under add a comment, just type in their name. Before you do so, tap on the @ sign. Now here, type in the name. Then it will display all the people with that name, and all you have to do is tap onto it. Once you do so, tap on this arrow icon. Once you have commented their name in any post, they will get a notification, and if they would like to reply to your comment, they have to tap onto that notification in their account. If you would like to delete your comment, long tap onto it and tap onto delete. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.